students, welcome back to your science class now. Students, today we are going to practice true or false, okay, of the chapter uses of plants and chapter wild animals, chapter 3 and 4. Students, you must read the instruction of any question, then you will start. Okay, let us start. Write true or false for the following statements. 1. Rice is used for making dosas. True or false? It is true. Number 2. Black lentil and gram are cereals. Is it true? False. Black lentil and gram, these are, what is that? Pulses. It is not cereal. These are pulses. So the statement is false. 3. Maize is a type of pulse. Is that? No. False. Maize is cereal. 4. Vegetables are only eaten cooked. True or false? False. Vegetables like tomato, vegetables like you say carrot, radish, we can eat as raw also. Okay, so the statement is false. Number 5. We eat the root of turnip and carrot. Yes, it is true. Write down true. 6. Ginger is a type of root. Is that right? True or false? It is false. Ginger is a type of root. No, it is stem, underground stem. So you will write there false. 7. Cocoa is used to make chocolates. We all like chocolates. Yes, this statement is true. 8. Tulsi leaves are used for the treatment of wounds and sprain. Is that true? No, it is false. Tulsi leaves are used, this is used to cure cough and cold. Okay. 9. We get wood from trees. Yes, we get wood from trees. So you write true there. 10. We get paper from acacia tree. Paper from bamboo tree, not acacia tree. From acacia tree we get what? We get gum. Okay. So the statement is false. 11. Wild animals are not friendly. Pets are friendly. Domestic animals are friendly, but not wild animals. Right? True. 12. Rhinoceros is a big animal. Tiger, then lion, elephant, all these are big animal. So it is true. And you will write TRUE, true, not T or false, not like that. Okay, if it is true, TRUE, if it is false, FALSE. Write the full word. Next, 13. A mongoose is a big animal. Have you seen mongoose? Most of you have seen mongoose nearby your house. Okay. But mongoose is a wild animal, and it is a small animal. Okay, mongoose is a small animal, not big animal. False. 14. Snakes can swallow squirrels. Snakes can swallow squirrels. Swallow, do you know what is swallow? Without chewing when we eat food. When we have food without chewing. When we have food without chewing, that is called swallow. So, snake can swallow squirrels. Yes. Snake can swallow squirrels. Snake can swallow animals, small animals. Okay. And 15. Monkey and deers are plant eaters. Yes, they are plant eaters. True. 16. Hyena and jackals help to keep forest clean. They are scavengers. Yes, true. 17. Humans are omnivorous. Is it true? Yes, it is true. Humans are omnivorous. Humans are omnivorous. Why? Why they are omnivorous? Because they eat both plants and animals, flesh of the animals. So write there true. 18. Deer and giraffe can make their own home. No, they can't make. Okay, so the statement is false. 19. We must stop cutting of forest. Is it true or false? It is true. We must stop cutting forest. We must stop burning forest. Okay. Number 20. Elephants are killed for their horns. Elephants are killed for what? Tusk, not horns. So the statement is false. Okay. So students, you have read the questions and now you will write in your classwork copy. Don't forget to write. Okay. You will write in your classwork copy with neat and clean handwriting. And this is the end of the class. And you will revise it also. Till then, goodbye.